Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You begin by signing in and verifying your Motion Array account, then immediately create a project folder to keep assets organized. Once done, set your sequence resolution, 1920 by 1080 or 4K, so templates match. Next, use the template and asset filters to narrow results by format, duration, and software compatibility. This accelerates the edit. Make sure to preview templates inside the browser, so you confirm style and timings before downloading any files. You now download the template and associated assets, unzip them into your project folder, and import everything into your NLE or After Effects. Once imported, relink any missing media promptly so compositions render correctly. After that, replace placeholders with your footage or graphics, adjust timing to match your cut, and tweak color and typography to fit your brand. Remember to preview at full resolution occasionally. This avoids surprises and ensures motion timing, audio cues, and transitions align with your intent. You finish by exporting with the recommended codec and preset for your delivery platform, for example H.264 for web or ProRes for master archives. Once exported, double-check the render log and review the file for frame drops or audio sync issues. If problems arise, clear your cache, update Motion Array plugins and your host app, then re-render the troubled region. Finally, package the project folder with source files and license details so clients can verify assets, and you can reproduce the deliverable if needed.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.